Welcome to Nations Indexes, home of the world's leading independent volatility and options cost indexes. I'm Scott Nations, one of the founders here, and our goal is to make you a better trader. Let's tour the website and learn how to use the data and tools we offer to subscribers so you can indeed become a better trader. In this short tour, we'll learn about the 5 indexes, your 3-member dashboards, and the tools that turn those readings into trade ideas. Everything lives in the navigation bar. Insights, our indexes, tools, pricing, education, and members, and member login takes you straight to your dashboards. Start with our indexes. Nations Indexes measure the options market with 5 complementary indexes. VolDex is the foundation, the implied volatility of a precisely at-the-money option. It's the cleanest read on what the market expects over the next 30 days without the skew distortion built into legacy volatility indexes. TailDex measures the normalized price of the call option that is 1 standard deviation out of the money. That corresponds to a 16 delta for those of you who think in delta terms. When traders reach for upside, TailDex rises. PutDex does the same for the downside. It tracks the cost of the puts institutions buy when they genuinely fear a decline. RiskDex, which measures the steepness of the volatility skew, is the ratio of PutDex to CallDex, one number for the balance between fear and greed. And TailDex prices deep out of the money puts, the cost of insuring against a true tail event. And here's how the family compares with the alternatives. Each nation's index isolates a piece of the options market that legacy indexes blend together. We say you have to deconstruct skew to understand what a market is really trying to tell you. Now the members page, home base once you sign in, live S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100 readings for every index, today's trade idea, and your analytics dashboards with data updating every 30 seconds during market hours. There are 3 dashboards matched to the 3 plans. The ETF dashboard covers the important broad asset classes. The equity dashboard covers the largest, most important equities and those with the most active option market. The Everything plan provides downloads of complete index histories and critical metrics to put the current index values in context. ETF Analytics covers 11 underlyings across equities, fixed income, precious metals, crypto, and volatility, from the S&P 500, NASDAQ 100, and the Russell 2000 to Treasury notes and bonds, high-yield bonds, gold, silver, Bitcoin, and even volatility of volatility itself. The heart of the page is the live tables. Symbols by index shows every underlying for one index at a time. Last price, net change, daily range, plus 1 year and intraday charts. And the tabs switch among all 9 index views, 30-day and 7-day. Indexes by symbol flips it. Pick one underlying and see every index on it. Big Movers ranks the day's largest percentage changes. And the 52-week percentile tables tell you whether today's reading is high or low against a full year of history. Below the tables, the trade ideas of the day, and the signal tables that combine RSI with CallDex and PutDex percentiles into plain English signals. Equity Analytics is the same engine pointed at the 19 most actively traded single names: megacap tech, semiconductors, software and growth, financials, healthcare, and energy. Same tables, same percentile context, plus a daily single name trade idea. The Everything dashboard combines both plans and adds 2 things: important metrics, lifetime and 52-week statistics for every index on every underlying, recalculated nightly, and downloadable histories for all our indexes. Pick a symbol, read its percentile bands back to index inception, and download the complete daily archive as a CSV. Then there's the Tools Hub, organized by job. These tools, combined with our index values, are how you become a better trader. Volatility surface and skew, term structure, skew deconstruction, and volatility cones. Positioning and flow, dealer gamma and the nation's option window. Risk premium and events, variance risk premium and event volatility isolation. Trading signals and alerts that reach you by email or text. Interactive charts with full index history. And the advanced suite, a relative value screener, risk neutral densities, an implied move calendar, dealer Vanna and Charm, a strategy backtester, and a vol-targeted position sizer. Every tool follows the same pattern. Pick a tool, pick a symbol, and each ships with loads of its own educational content. Here's the VolDex term structure tool plotting at-the-money volatility across every expiration, and interactive charts where you compare up to 3 indexes, adjust the period, and overlay moving average and Bollinger studies. And check out the education content and videos on the tools page to dig deep into how each individual tool can make you a better trader. That's the tour. If you ever have a question, support is one click away on every member page. Trade smarter. See what options know.